I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate.
Just before this vlog gets started, I wasn't gonna upload this. I was gonna scrap it. I honestly hadn't looked at the footage until just now. So it's Tuesday as I'm filming this, but I think I might upload it anyway, even though it's kind of a weird vlog. I vlogged bits and pieces. I didn't think I vlogged this much, but apparently I did, so I thought I may as well upload it. I personally love chatty vlogs. I love listening to people talk about anything and everything. I had a very emotionally draining week, so that's why I didn't upload yesterday, so I'm so sorry to everyone who was looking forward to it. I also have a giant bruise on my head because I whacked my head on the kitchen bench this morning. By the way, my collab with Luisa, my ring, is in stock. I always have the link in the description box down below if you want to check that out. Love her. She's my favorite thing ever. I still get DMs from people asking if it's like still available. It is still available. And I also get questions asking if it's like what size to get. It's a fully adjustable ring, so you don't really have to worry about that. So I can wear it on any finger that I like. So yeah, just thought I would mention that. But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Sorry, it's a bit all over the place. This week that I'm about to go into, what is happening? Notifications, is gonna be super fun. I'm gonna get a tattoo. I've got an event. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Enjoy the vlog. Good morning, no, good afternoon, guys. Let me turn the car on before I try to start moving. Happy Monday. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I have just finished editing, exporting the weekly vlog. I still am in the process of making the thumbnail, but it's only 2 o'clock, so I'm not cutting it like literally so fine like I've been doing lately. Anyway, I'm gonna go out and get a kombucha, and I think I'm gonna go buy myself some sunflowers. Flowers bring joy, so I'm gonna do that. I went to the gym this morning, which was good. Ooh, there she goes. This is your sign. If you want to buy yourself flowers, buy yourself flowers. I also hit a new PB, I think, with my squat today. I think I did 80 kilos for 1 rep. I'm tempted to go again this afternoon and see if I can do for 3 and see how we go, because I'll have like food in me. I'm also on my period and she's heavy. Sorry TMI, but she's fully here. Which is good. And my cycle has kind of been getting longer and longer. In the beginning, I feel like my cycle was really, really short, like 22 days. And it felt like my period would end and then it was back. So I think this cycle was 30 days, which I was getting like a little bit stressed. I was like, oh, where's my period? But then it came. So this is my 6th cycle since getting my period back, and like 6th cycle in a row. So I haven't missed one, which is great. I'm hoping to do maybe a content day this week and maybe go to the beach and get some cute photos, like sunset vibes. I can't believe it's the 13th of September today. Like, what? Where it's gonna be October before we know it, and that's terrifying. I will see you home when I get back with my new sunflowers. Hopefully they have sunflowers. If not, flowers of some sort, but I've got my heart set on sunflowers. How many times did I just say sunflowers? I'm obsessed with this song at the moment. It's not new, but it's good. Yeah, I've never seen something quite like you. You came out the blue. I just wanna live in this moment forever. Also love Mimi Webb. I'm so excited for her album to come out. This song, I don't know the words. I'm thinking, where are all my vases? They're on this like shelf. That's high. When you treat me like that, pushing me harder. No, I'll get that dirty. Ooh, there's a spider in there. Charlie's crying because she's all wet. She's not allowed inside. They didn't have just sunflowers, but I got these. Aren't they cute? Oh, it's really bad. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. That's overexposed. It is nearly 11 a.m. Yesterday, I did absolutely nothing. I needed a day to just completely chill, and I'm glad I did it. I feel like I need to do not more. Well, Yeah, allocate more days of just doing nothing because then you can like properly recharge. Anyway, I went to the gym this morning. I just had a call with my manager. My hair is not cooperating today. Got a lot of content to get done today. I need to film some Instagram stories for the Whitney Simmons GYMSHARK collection. By the time you see this video, it'll already be on sale and possibly sold out. So make sure you follow my Instagram so you can see like things like this. My hair is not okay. Oh! Ooh, this is from Sarah Humphrey's agency. I also got in a package from Sephora yesterday that I have been waiting for. I ordered it on the 24th of August and it came yesterday, so that was the 14th of September. It's just COVID, so I think it came from Melbourne. It was some like Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, which I used this morning. Olaplex is definitely worth it. It is expensive, but it is incredible. I also got this brow gel that Kathleen is obsessed with, and I used it today. It's a clear brow gel and look how nice that is. I love it. I just got in a bunch of stuff from Anastasia. Ooh, they sent their brow pen, like prongs. Oh, so that's like I can draw little hair strokes. They also sent a lip stain. I do like a lip stain. Skin is still doing really, really well. I do have like a very tiny bit of makeup on today, but it's nothing crazy. I'm not that into makeup as I used to be. I feel like a lot of people are like that. Liquid Glow highlighter, satin lipstick in butterscotch. I feel like this is gonna be really nude. Oh, that looks like concealer. Hello. Pretty though. Smells good. I think last week I used the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation and I was like, whoa. It looked gorgeous though. I didn't set it and it just looked stunning. Ooh, dip brow gel. Am I the color chocolate? I don't know. Is this just like brow gel? Oh, how good. I don't fill in my eyebrows. I only use brow gel. We have a powder bronzer in the color Rich Amber. I think I used to have one of these. I don't know what color it was in though. I think it might be a little bit dark. Was it Rich Amber? Oh yeah, it looks very dark. Beautiful packaging though. I ran out of my Hourglass bronzer and I need to buy it again. And I've been using my Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer at the moment. Then we have a eyebrow kit. What is happening? Which has a brow pencil. And then they sent a clear brow gel, but I can't get it out. So that's fun. And then last but not least, oh my God, we have a glow kit. I remember being obsessed with the glow kits from Anastasia. Oh my God, what a throwback. Wow. This is just giving me 2016 vibes. I love that. I don't really wear highlighter either anymore. I used to be obsessed. Sometimes I'll put a little bit like on my nose. The makeup that you see me do in my videos is the makeup that I do all the time. It's pretty much just like the MAC Face and Body Foundation, and then brow gel, bit of mascara, bronzer, blush, and that's it. Call it a day. So I need to film these GYMSHARK stories. I think I'm gonna do it. There's really nice lighting in my office. Currently got this mirror here. It's very short and if I stand in front of it, I get cut off. I also don't know what the lighting is like in front of my ginormous mirror. It's just a bit dark in here and like, do you see what I mean? It's just like a little bit dark. You have to pick like early mornings to get, like this looks fine and it is fine. I just really want to have like beautiful lighting. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this one. I think I'll move this into the office because it's a lot bigger. I need to clean it though. Oh my God, Charlie. Charlie Wally. I love you. Look at that. She's actually the best. She's so calm. Well, she's calm, then she'll go hyper. You're tired now. Are you tired? Are you so tired? I'll show you what the Whitney Simmons stuff looks like. Let me just grab it all. I'm also on day 5 of my period. So she's on its last legs, which we love to see. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it launches tomorrow. So I'm kind of cutting this a bit fine, actually. This in the mail from Mecca. Very random. But I got some Bare Minerals stuff. I believe they sent, oh gosh. I have changed her food. Someone did comment just saying that Rottweiler farts are just diabolical. And I'm like, yeah. So this is their original liquid mineral foundation, SPF 20. I've got golden medium, medium tan, and neutral medium, which I don't know if any of these will match me. Look. because I feel like it's better to have a foundation be a little bit too light than too dark. Because if it's too dark, it just looks very orange. Ooh, the packaging though. It's probably gonna, that looks very orange. That's so fun. What's the lightest one? 14, 15. Sometimes you can have a darker foundation in terms of the scale, but it looks lighter just because of the undertone. Charlie, that is chronic. I also have run out of almond milk. Side note, completely relevant to what I was saying, but so I'm sad about that because I had to put soy milk, which I'm pretty sure was a bit off in my coffee this morning. But thank you so much, Bare Minerals. And they also sent a brush, or should I say Mecca. Ooh, that's gonna be good for the type of like foundation that I do. And then I had some samples of the Alpha Essential Skin Perfecting Moisturizer and then the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. I need to move this mirror. It's quite heavy. It's 30 kilos, but it feels very heavy to move. Oh, this afternoon, Freya and I are gonna do a pole dancing class. She texted me the other day saying, hey, would you want to do a pole dancing class? And I was like, funny you say that, because I was actually thinking about it the night before, which is kind of super random. So yeah, we're gonna do a pole dancing class, which will be so fun.
I spend way too much time on my own, alone, and I never opened my heart until you came and knocked on my door. You make me feel like it's you. Been waiting for someone like you. It's you. Making me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. Maybe I won't always be standing tall.
Good morning. Happy Thursday. How is it Thursday? That's my question. Sounds like it's raining, but it's a sprinkler. It's 11 a.m. I've just been doing some computer work, and I got in the doona that I bought a couple weeks ago now, but they didn't have it in stock, so they were gonna just ship it. I mean, it didn't take too long, but it wasn't like super quick. So I've put it on the bed. Obviously, you can't really tell much difference, but I think it'll be really nice because it's a lot thinner than my other one, which for the summertime, it's so much better. I'm gonna put a fan in this room, even though I love my chandelier. I think she's gotta go. Just because like air conditioning is great, but I think I need a fan just to kind of move the air around. I don't know, just because it gets very hot in Australian summer as I'm wearing a jumper. So I'm excited to see how this goes. It doesn't look as pretty because it's not as like fluffy, but I just got a couple packages at the door. I also have a super exciting package coming, which I don't know whether I'm going to tell you about. I might just like leave it as a super exciting package. But I went to the gym this morning. We hit a new PB on the deadlift. Oh, and the last thing you would have saw would have been my pole dancing class. Pole dancing, more like spinning around on a pole. I might like sign up and give it a go. Oh, we're running out of battery. Charlie's also in the backyard and she's crying because she's all wet. She's staring at me right now. She's like, how dare you? Vibrator. Charlie, I'm so sorry, but you're wet, Bubba. Dr. Robux? Is this skincare? Clean Beauty bottle. Oh, that's cute. They sent a little bucket hat with CK on it. Oh. We've got a daily facial shield SPF 50. That's great. I've been really good about wearing sunscreen every day. And then I also have this package from Petal and Pup, which I believe is part of the Georgie Stevenson collection. I'm going to an event for that very soon, which will be so fun. Cute, 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 cute. I'm pretty sure you've seen what that stuff is, but that is the packages for now. I'm gonna jump in the shower, get ready a little bit. Elise is coming over. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's nearly 11 a.m. I just had an appointment at a dermatologist, which you might think is weird because my skin is really good, but I've had this booked in for a while, like since my skin was really bad. So I might be getting some like laser done just for redness and stuff. Like I've got no makeup on right now. I've decided to come to the shops just because I thought I may as well while I'm here. I really want to get maybe some new bed sheets. I've said this 1,000,001 times. We'll see how we go. And then I want to get YSL sell black opium. I know that's like super specific, but I really want to get it. I just feel like it's a very 18-year-old like I feel like when you're younger, even though I'm 22, I don't know, I just really want to, I'll smell it and see if I need it in my life. My hair is also quite oily. Alright, it's me again from the future. If you have any recommendations for how to do this setup for my bed, I need to get my friend Elise, I think she's making me, or like doing up a bed head for me and some new bedside tables, which I think will look really good. I just don't know, I need a new throw, I need new pillows. I need to like look at some inspo pics and go off of that because I love the sheets. Love the sheets. I think the color is beautiful. That is what it looks like. So yeah, it's not matching. I'm aware, like I know. But I love the color and they're really comfy. Like super, super nice. So I thought in my typical fashion, I didn't actually show you what it looked like. But yeah, if you have any recommendations, let me know. But that is the end of the vlog. I'm so sorry, it's all over the place. But thank you guys for bearing with me. And for everyone asking like if I'm okay, I'm so fine. Sometimes you need a bit of a break. I hope you're having a lovely day or night wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one.